Hello and welcome to Gonomix. Today we will be talking about how to install your laptop tripod. Please follow general practices for safety and always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here.
The mouse platform, part number SF100MP, is optional and may be purchased separately.
The laptop tripod can be assembled without tools. However, in order to adjust the laptop tray to fit your device, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable crescent wrench, and/or a 3/8 inch nut driver. Adjust the laptop tray by turning up the arms on the side of the tray. Tighten the arms with a screwdriver and a crescent wrench or a 3/8 inch nut driver to fit your laptop. The laptop tray arms can be moved up and down or side to side as needed to best fit your device. Loosen the knob on the swivel adapter and turn it 90 degrees until it is facing straight up. Once it is straight, tighten.
Do not over-tighten the mount as it may cause the screw to strip.
Next, flip the tripod legs down. Then, loosen the lower grip on the center pole of the tripod to slide the pole down to its lowest point and tighten. Next, screw the laptop tray onto the tripod by inserting the screw on top of the tripod into the hole in the center of the laptop tray and turning clockwise until tight.
If the laptop tray is still able to swivel after being screwed to the tripod, the top grip on the center pole may need to be tightened.
When putting your laptop tripod away, first take your laptop off the laptop tray and adjust the center bar by loosening the silver screw in the bottom grip to extend the bar to its highest height. Tighten the grip to hold the bar in place. Shorten the legs back to their original length. Press the blue tabs at the top of the legs and fold the legs upward. Finally, use the black knob on the Gonomix mount to angle the laptop tray downward for easier stowing. You can store your laptop tripod in the included bag or use the bag to carry it. The 4 grips at the bottom of each tripod leg can be used to extend the telescoping legs. Loosen the grips, extend the legs, and tighten the grips before setting it down.
Do not loosen the grips all the way, or else you risk having part of the legs fall out completely.
The silver hook at the bottom of the tripod can be used to hang a counterbalance to prevent your tripod from blowing over on a windy day. Your laptop bag makes a great counterbalance. The black knob on the Gonomix mount can be used to adjust the angle of the tray to what is most comfortable for you. Loosen slightly when adjusting and tighten when in position. The blue tabs on the tops of the tripod legs can be used to adjust the angle of the legs. This can provide more stability to your laptop tripod.
If the screws on the tripod legs become loose, use the Allen wrench provided to tighten them.
The laptop tray extends in order to best fit your device. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos and socials. Go Gonomix!